Hi, my name's Sam and I'm one of the teachers at Yorkshire Centre for Wellbeing, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about our newest workshop that's coming up in August, our Chakra Balancing Workshop. So you might be thinking, what even are chakras? Do I need mine to be balanced? Are they balanced? How would I know if they're not? We're going to be exploring what chakras are, where they've come from, where the ancient roots in Hinduism and Buddhism, but tracing it all the way through to why are they relevant for us in the modern world, and what do we need to know about our chakras? Is there anything that we can be doing to help bring them into balance, and what happens in our lives when we do that? So it'll be an interactive and embodied workshop. We'll be doing some breath work, some meditation, some yoga postures, but you don't need to have any experience to be able to come along, just a curious spirit and an open mind, and it would be lovely to see you then.